Good evening, everyone. I'm Shraddha. Let's talk about today's market performance. Benchmark equity indices slumped over 1% today in intraday session but made a sharp V-shaped recovery to end the day little changed. Financials and metals exerted pressure on the bosses even as gains in Reliance Industries, FMCG and select private bank stocks tried to limit the losses. S&P BSE Sensex fell 722 points intraday but recovered to close 21 points or 0.04% higher at 52,344 levels. Broader Nifty 50 index meanwhile bounced back from the day's low of 15,451 to end at 15,683 levels, down 8 points or 0.05%. The correction was deeper in the broader markets where the BSE mid-cap and small-cap indices closed 0.70% and 0.89% down respectively. Let's talk about ideas for cash delivery calls. You can buy Grasim at 1,491. Stop loss you can keep at 1,460. Target you can keep at 1,520. Calls that were given to you on 10th of June, HDFC Life and Uflix hold both the position at mentioned target price and stop loss. Let's talk about top laggards in large cap stocks. ONGC, Coal India, Power Grid, JSW Steel, UPL, NTPC, M&M, SBI and Nestle India were top laggards among the large cap stocks, while Mahanagar Gas, Ashok Leyland, SAIL, Canara Bank, Max Financial Services, Graphite India, HEG, Hindustan Copper, Affle India and Wockhardt Pharma cracked in the mid and small cap segments. In sectorally front, the Nifty PSU Bank declined nearly 2%, while Nifty Auto Metal and Realty indices slipped up to 1% each. On upside, Nifty FMCG index ended 0.29% higher. Let's talk about global markets. Then stocks were stranded just below record highs today. In Asia, MSCI's broadest index of Asia Pacific shares outside Japan was flat after falling for 4 sessions. Chinese blue chip A shares were also little changed along with Japan's Nikkei. In Europe, a slide in bank and energy stocks hit shares with a hawkish policy outlook from US Federal Reserve also casting a dampener. Pan-European Stock 600 index was down 0.2%, while Germany's DAX index fell 0.3%. International oil benchmark Brent crude was trading 0.73% lower at USD 72.55 per barrel. That's it for closing outlook. We will meet again with morning updates along with technical calls. So don't miss to join us on Monday at 9 a.m. And also do not forget to subscribe our 5 Paisa channel. Stay tuned. Bye.